And we can see that Preetham sir is making strategies with with Mr. Deepu, who is a referee. I think पैसे की लेन देन हो चुकी है. It's rigged. Shreya said it, not me. And that's the kickoff. Is that a foul? That's a foul. Given by Sky. Who is a little rigged, if you ask me. And we have Delphia Pereira with the ball, making that amazing pass to Urvi. And Ayush just missed a header. And it's a goal kick for Team Brazil. We can see Cameron is about to take a direct goal kick. That's a good shot, but headed by PK. That's a Delu thing, yeah? Sorry, my bad. Delu. Delphia Pereira, you guys, the veteran player, the most senior player, star player, jersey number 13 for you guys. That's Delphia Pereira from Borivali. Nice, sir. Sorry, my bad. Baju mein hai. We have Miss Afreen Pirboy taking the side kick, looking for an option. Still looking for an option. Can the Spain team move out from there? Spain team, please nikal jao. And that's a good shot by Arna. Afreen taking that side kick again looking for an option. We have Arna creating space. Arna with the ball. Arna turns. Arna missed that shot.
What happened?
The side kick by Preetham sir, and that's a shot, didn't connect well. Ball with PK. PK with the ball. PK dribbling. Urvi next to her, and that's an amazing combination by PK and Urvi, guys. What an amazing goal and assist that was. And that's 1-0, guys. Bangladesh. Oh, I'm so sorry. Portugal, oh sorry, Bangladesh. Leading by 1-0, and Preetham sir tried to make a comeback, but it was amazingly saved by the keeper of Bangladesh, Myra. Sorry guys, the battery was dead. Now I'm back. Yes. Arna with a shot, but just missed it. Myra taking the goal kick now. Looking for Urvi. Urvi looking for someone. That was a miss pass. Afreen with the ball now. PK with the ball. Delu with the ball now. Urvi looking for PK. PK takes a shot. Intercepted. Oh my God! What an amazing save by Myra. But that's not a goal. It hit the post, guys. Amazing saves by goalkeeper of Portugal. Oops, sorry, Bangladesh. Urvi with the ball, looking for an option. Delu making that run. Delu with the ball, but Delu thoda sa galti ho gaya. No problem, Delu. Cameron taking the goal kick, looking for option. She's gonna take a direct shot. Ya khuda, ye to सीधा shot लेने वाली है. Pritam sir with the ball now. Delu trying to defend, and the ball goes out. Pritam sir taking that side kick, and that's a goal kick now. Delu looking for an option. Amazing ball by Delu, but the strikers couldn't reach the ball. Oops, ho gaya. Good ball by Afreen to Pritam sir. Pritam sir looking for that goal. Pritam sir, ball, bahar chala. PK looking for an option. Good ball by PK. Urvi there right in front of the goal. Can she finish? It was deflected and the ball is with Pritam sir. And that's a good shot. Deflected. Again back with Afreen. Delu with the ball now.
Hello.
And Delu was trying to get the coconuts down.
Hello.
It's okay, Delu. You feel
It's not okay, Delu. You need to do something about it.
And that's a shot. Amazing
And
shot.
that's a perfect miss.
But just missed it.
Shruti.
It's a good build-up. Delu to PK. PK loses that ball. It could be a goal, but amazingly saved by Myra, the goalkeeper. I think she's been doing really good so far.
इंग्लैंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली
Ayush with
गाइस
the
बाहर हो
ball.
चुकी है.
Can Ayush take that
श्रुति को सिर्फ
shot?
एक ही चीज बचा है उसके पास, कमेंटेटिंग करने के लिए. उसके अलावा कुछ काम नहीं अभी फिलहाल.
तू हार
Back,
गया.
guys.
हाँ,
Pritam
great.
sir cutting
Pritam sir
everyone.
with-
And Del Priya catching her from behind.
And that's a foul.
That was definitely a red card, but हमारी प्लेयर है तो उसको हम कार्ड नहीं दे रहे. सब पहले वो बांग्लादेशी उसको और क्या कार्ड देंगे.
Is it a card?
Check. Pritam putting pressure on the refs.
I think there's a confusion between the referees. Delphia Pereira just made an exit because she fouled Pritam sir.
Check.
PK with the ball. That's 2 minutes out for Delphia Pereira, by the way. And that's a handball.
A tough match between Brazil and Portugal.
It's a free kick for Team Portugal, aka Bangladesh. And that's in the keeper's hand. Cameron with the ball looking for an option. Gets it back. And amazingly done by Myra. What a goalkeeper she is. Doing amazing things there, Myra. Myra playing bare feet and showing it to you guys how it's done. Myra guiding the team from the back. And that's a goal by PK.
Pritam sir losing the goal.
And the score is 2-1. Portugal, aka Bangladesh, leading. And ball with Ayush. Ayush still with the ball, and that's the halftime, guys. Very intense game that has been displayed by Team Brazil and Portugal, aka Bangladesh. Bangla for you guys, leading 2-1 halftime score. Team Brazil is strategizing how to get that comeback. I can see that Team Portugal is very relaxed now. Are they relaxed? They're not relaxed. Myra is Mahi's sister, by the way, and she's doing amazing. Let's go Bangla! Let's go Brazil! B square! It's a center start for Team Bangladesh. Oops, Portugal or Bangladesh. Whatever you want to call it. Ball with PK. PK to Ayush, but Ayush missed that. Come on Ayush, you can do much better than that. We have another Brazil supporter here. Mr. Archis Patil. Cameron with a goal kick. That's a build-up that we can see. Arna with the ball. Ball to Cameron now. Cameron plays it to Pritam sir. Pritam sir to Afreen, and that's a shot. And that's an equalizer by Afreen Peerboy. Is that a celebration or she's actually tying her shoelace? Okay. It's 2-2, guys. It's 2-2. Intense game going on there. PK takes a shot, but misses it. It's a goal kick. Is Cameron going to build up? No, that's a direct goal kick to Pritam sir. Intercepted by PK. PK to Delu. Delu still with the ball. Delu takes a banger with a left foot, but missed it by little. Pritam sir making that turn. And shot deflected, and it's outside. It's a side kick. Ball with Afreen. Is she going to take a shot? And side kick for Team Portugal, aka Bangladesh. Ball with Delu now. Delu looking for a pass. Delu takes a shot instead. Urvi with the ball now. Urvi looking for that pass, but intercepted by Arna. Pritam sir with the ball. That's a shot, and amazing, amazing goal by Myra, guys. She's doing amazing there, guys. It was a split save in a split second. It's gone? It's gone? Hello. Urvi with the ball. Still dribbling. Ball to Delu. And that's not a goal, guys. You just hit a post. Ayush hit a post. Not a goal, unfortunately. Ball with Cameron. Cameron to Arna. Arna missed it. Ayush did a tackle. Ball has gone out for a side kick. Arna taking the side kick now. Looking for Pritam sir. Ball with PK now. छोटू का नाम क्या है? PK with the ball. Delu with a shot. Ayush with a shot and deflected outside. It's a corner kick and intercepted by Arna. Arna to Pritam sir. Pritam sir dribbling all the way to the goal. Is he going to take a shot? And he took a shot and it was missed, guys. मुझको लगता है मैं इसमें career बना सकती हूँ. I am thinking to change my career, guys. Please let me know if I should. I am still accepting Crawford Waffle. मैं Crawford Waffle बोल दूँ, guys. Commentator को थोड़ा extra मिर्ची लगाना पड़ता है. मैं नहीं समझेगा. Ball with Afrin. Afrin looking for a pass. Amazingly tackled by Delphia Pereira from Borivali, guys. Sorry, guys, sir, my bad. We have Cameron dribbling now, looking for an option. She takes a direct and she misses it. PK intercepted. Ball to Urvi. 1v1 against Pritam sir. And the ball is out. It's still 2-all, guys. 2-all ही है ना? It's still 2-all. Ayush with the ball, dribbling, looking for a shot. Is that a handball? That's not a handball. Good tackle by Urvi. Urvi twisted and turned. Still she got up to defend. Bangla all the way. Looks like Bangladesh is dominating, but Brazil is still not leaving anything. I think they're going to make that 2-all to 3-2. Can you guys hear me, by the way? आ रहा है? वैष्णवी मेरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या? आ रहा है? Urvi takes a shot and it goes wide outside. Cameron is about to take a goal kick, guys. This is the final, guys. Let me remind you all. Guys, वही तो ऐसी तो कंटेंट बनता है शुरू में. We have Shubhisha Sharma, guys, our OG influencer. All the stories that have been posted on Mumbai Knights page is done by Shubhisha Sharma, guys. I think you guys should follow her because she posts amazing content. Shubhisha Sharma, guys. Okay, we'll get back to the match now. Finals it is, guys. And that could have been a goal, but missed. Ball to Delu. It's a left foot problem, guys. I think we need to control our emotion, guys. I think that was done by purpose. Was it done by purpose? To injure the Bangladeshi players. Ball to Cameron. Cameron takes a long shot to Pritam sir. Pritam sir with the ball, but Urvi defends it really well. PK with the ball now. PK is looking for an option. PK to Delu, but Delu was looking for Ayush, but couldn't complete that pass. Ball with Myra. Ball with Pritam sir. Is he going to take a shot? And he takes a shot, but again, guys, Myra is in the goal. The goal is not going to go so easily. He's going to take a shot. It's a corner kick. It's a side kick. Pritam sir looking for an option, but again, Myra in the house, guys. Amazing pass by Myra to PK. PK! Oh my God, that was a good cutback, but... And that's it for you guys. That's the final whistle to all. And there's going to be penalties now. Let me remind you guys, the substitutes cannot enter inside. You have to cheer from outside. Yeah, Bangladesh and Brazil. 3 penalties each team will get. There is some discussion over there happening. Why? हाँ. Oh, thanks. मैं भूल गई थी इसके बारे में. टॉस कौन जीता है ये सब भी बताना पड़ता है, प्लीज. कमेंटेटर नीड्स टू नो. Toss is done. And we are about to have the toss now for the penalties. Penalty shootout. Do we have any coach Kabir Khan standing outside to guide the team? No? No. Okay. So the verdict of the toss is Team Portugal aka Bangladesh is taking the penalty kick first. We have Priyanka Sujish Potekar taking the first penalty kick, and we have Pritam sir in the goal against Priyanka. And that's a save by Pritam sir. And now we have the amazing keeper for us, guys. The crowd's favorite, Myra. And Pritam sir going against Myra. And that's a goal by Pritam sir, aka Kaiser Senior. Now we have everyone's favorite, Delphia Pereira from Daisar, guys. And that's a banger goal. Delu is showing it to everyone. That's how it's done. The senior player of MK. Actually the first player of MK also. जिसने Mumbai Knights में later. And we have first player ये वो MK. We have Cameron. That's an amazing goal by Cameron. Hard luck with Myra. We have Urvi taking the penalty and Pritam sir in the goal. And that's a very bad luck. And we have the winner for you guys, Team Brazil. Hard luck. गाना बजाओ यार ब्राजील का. Hard luck Team Portugal aka